Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Generative Fill for free. For those who don't know, Generative Fill is a feature in Adobe Photoshop where you select an area and prompt the AI to generate an image in that area for you. The generated image will be blended in with your editing image as they presented it on YouTube. It sounds pretty cool, right? Well, that feature is only for a proper Adobe account. You cannot use this feature in a cracked version of Photoshop. Or can you? No. I'm not Visa, don't play that sound, the copyright will get me. Anyway, you can still achieve this feature in the other free platform, Photopea. It is web-based and arguably the best free Photoshop alternative. Okay, no more beating around the bush, let's get straight to the point. First, you visit the page through the link in the description below. If you are here for the first time, click the Start Using Photopea button to get started. Then, you either create a new project, upload media from your device, or import a template to get to the editing workspace. I pick the second option now. As the new project opens, let me get ready for the demonstration. Alright, now the image has empty areas. I will use the Generative Fill to fill these areas up. Click on the Select tool, select the area, then click on this tool. If it's not this icon for you, right click on it and select Magic Replace. You will see an input field at the top bar, right? That is where you enter the image prompt. You can leave it blank though, but the resulting image will be random. We don't want that, so we are gonna enter the prompt. I want the surroundings to be the sky, so I'm gonna enter sky and customize more properties of it, like stratosphere, full with clouds, in the morning, stuff like that. I may not be that good of a prompter, to be honest, but let's see if it will give me the image I want. Okay, we finished with the prompt. Click the replace button. It will wait. What the hell? Oh, oops. It will inform you that this is a premium feature. Go premium or watch 2 ads to do this for free. Of course, we want to do it for free, so click OK to watch the ads. Wait till the ads end, and you should never skip any of the ads. Let's skip the ad part. Okay, watch all the ads. If it's a success, you will see the processing tab up there. Wait for a few more seconds and the image is generated. But the image doesn't really blend in well with the main image. No worries, you can edit the prompt and generate the image again in the properties window, which you can open it up here. Yes, you will need to watch those ads again. Nice, this is better, though not the best considering the context. Let's ignore that for now. Anyway, not only can you fill up empty areas, you can also select a specific area of the image and change it. Well, the steps are pretty much the same. Selecting the area, choosing Magic Place tool, entering the prompt, clicking on the Replace button, watching 2 ads, and waiting for the image to be generated. You see that the image can blend in very well, so Magic Place works this way significantly better than filling up empty areas. But what the heck is this? I didn't prompt this, did I? Alright, I think that is it for this video. I hope that helps you in editing image. Thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next one. Peace.